Hello, and welcome to the Daily Verdict. Today's episode is all about daily conversations in real-life situations. This is your chance to practice spoken English, expand your vocabulary, and feel confident speaking like a native. Let's begin with a natural conversation at a coffee shop. Listen carefully, repeat after the speakers, and don't forget to take notes. Scene 1. At the coffee shop. Emma, hey. Good morning, Jason. Jason, morning, Emma. You look fresh today. Coffee already kicking in? Emma laughs totally. I had a cappuccino and a banana muffin. How about you? Jason, just grabbed an Americano. Black. No sugar. Trying to cut back. Emma, good for you. By the way, are we still meeting later to review the project? Jason, yep. Let's meet around 2 p.m. at the library. Does that work for you? Emma, perfect. See you then. Narrator, let's go over some expressions you heard. Coffee kicking in equals starting to feel the effects of coffee. Cut back equals reduce something, e.g. sugar. Does that work for you? Equals asking if the time is okay. Try using these phrases in your own conversations today. Scene 2. At the supermarket. Customer. Excuse me, where can I find almond milk? Employee. Aisle 4, right next to the organic juices. Customer. Great, thanks. Oh, and do you carry gluten-free bread? Employee. Yes, that's in the freezer section, aisle 7. Customer. Awesome. I'm trying to eat healthier these days. Employee, that's great to hear. Let me know if you need anything else. Narrator, let's break down some vocabulary. Aisle equals a passage between rows of shelves in a store. Carry equals to have something in stock. Freezer section equals part of a store where frozen food is kept. Practice saying, do you carry? Where can I find? Scene 3. Taking a taxi. Rita, hi. Can you take me to 22nd Street and Lexington Avenue? Driver. Sure, hop in. Any preferred route? Rita, no, the fastest way is fine. I'm kind of in a hurry. Driver, got it. Should be about 15 minutes without traffic. Rita, sounds good. Thanks. Narrator. New expressions. Hop in equals get into the car. Preferred route equals the way you'd like the driver to go. I'm in a hurry equals I need to be quick. Practice this scenario the next time you're calling a ride. Scene 4. At the doctor's office. Patient. Hi. I have an appointment with Dr. Smith at 10:30. Receptionist. Great. Please have a seat. He'll be with you shortly. Patient, thanks. I've been feeling a bit under the weather. Receptionist, I hope you feel better soon. Narrator, useful phrases. Under the weather equals feeling sick. He'll be with you shortly equals he'll see you soon. Have a seat equals please sit down. Try shadowing the dialogue and practice the intonation. Scene 5. At a restaurant. Waitress, hi there. Welcome. Table for 2? Customer, yes please. By the window if possible. Waitress, of course. Here are your menus. Would you like something to drink? Customer, I'll have iced tea. Waitress, 1 iced tea. I'll be back to take your order. Everyday phrases you can use at restaurants. Table for 2 means a table for 2 people. By the window means near the window. I'll have means polite way to order food or drink. Repeat these phrases and try using them next time you eat out. Final practice round. Repeat after me. Narrator. Now, repeat these sentences after me to practice your speaking. Can we meet at 2 p.m. to review the project? Where can I find almond milk? Hop in. I'll take the fastest route. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. I'll have iced tea, please. Wrap up. Narrator. Great job today. Learning English through real conversations is the best way to become fluent. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Tell us, which scene was your favorite? And what topics should we cover next? Until next time, this is the Daily Verdict. Learn smart, speak smarter.